Hello guys, this is LizardBoy1 and welcome back to one of my videos. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Craftsman 2-cycle 25cc weed whacker. So let's get right on it. So I just took it out here. It came with instructions and it came with everything here. See this, the motor, the head over there, the cover and the handle. So what you want to do is, so it's the cover here. We're going to set up the cover first. That's the first thing we have to do. So this is where most people get confused on setting it up. If you see here, it has a washer and a twerk. Remove that out of here. Remove it. And it has a screw here. And the washers and the twerk here. 3 items there. So this is where most people get confused. Want to line that straight there. And then you want to put this under it, like this, under this. And then you can see the pattern that it's forming when made contact. So this is how you do it. So the way you set this up is you want to bring this up here. And you see this, here goes the tube and here goes the screw. The screw goes on the opposite side here, in there. There's a little hole there. So put the screw under there, pop it up, and then you want to put your lawnmower where the tube section goes here and line it up with that hole there. Then pop your washer and pop your twerk. Nice and tidy, righty-tighty. There you go. You got your cover set up. And that is just how you set up the cover. Now we're going to move on to the handle. How do we do the handle? Here we go. So let's put this aside there. And let's jump onto the motor here. Here. This is the motor here. We're going to get our handle. And as we see in the handle here, we see a bolt. And you're going to need a flathead screwdriver for that. If it's loose, just do it with your hand. Once you get that screw out, come up to here. You want to adjust it where you want. I'm going to just adjust it right here for now. This is adjustable, so you got to be strong for this moment. Push down. There. See, just adjust it right there. Now put the screw through this hole. And now we're going to need a flathead screwdriver to tighten it up. We got our flathead screwdriver, and you just want to tighten it up. Because you don't want to be passing the machine and this just goes flying off. So, once we got it pretty tight there, this is the other thing. So we got our handle. Now here you see this tube, pop it right off. So when you see it, just throw it to the trash. So there's another tube here on the second part where the head is. That's the head. This is a different tube. There's this part here. There's a button right here. So you just click that, pop it right off. Save this. This is for you to hang on the wall when you're done using it. Hang it on the wall. So once you have that, I'm gonna connect these 2 tubes. Put this one on the floor. Connect them together until you hear it click. You heard that click? This is and then you want to make sure this is tight here. pretty tight. And that is it. This is how you basically set up the weed whacker, the Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle weed whacker. Now, once we have that, I want to discuss something with you. This gas, you need to mix it. I have here, the first thing, this is mixed gas. This weed whacker comes with the 2-cycle engine oil. And how do you put this? Well, you put 1 gallon of normal gas here. As you can see, it says here 1 gallon of normal gas. So you fill it up to there and you put all of this package in there. And then you mix it. I've been mixing it earlier. So once you mix it, you just want to pour it in here. And I'll show you when it turns on. So I just put some gas in it. Now it says here that we have to press this little pumper so we can pump gas to the carburetor 10 times. So let's do that. So we just did it 10 times and we can see that there's a little gas in there. So let's try to turn it on. Gives you instructions there, so make sure to follow that. That's an off button right there. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the turning on. So let me get in position. So now you squeeze this here and the bottom lever here, and this. You can see the power of the 25cc Craftsman. And then to turn it off, just press this button. And that's it. This is how you assemble the Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle. Thanks for watching.